Imran Khan's threat of nuclear war not statesmanship, says India. WY tablets worth ₹59 lakh seized on Imphal Moray Road. And no proper infrastructure assigned members of the Juvenile Board in Manipur, says Justice K.H. Novin. Hello and a warm afternoon. You are watching the news today at 1 p.m. I am Maria Pangamam. Let's have the news in details. Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan's threat of nuclear war is not statesmanship, India said today while exercising its right of reply to Khan's speech at United Nations General Assembly UNGA on Friday. According to a media report, during this UN speech on Friday, Imran Khan suggested that nuclear-armed Pakistan may not have much of choice if a conventional war were to break out between Pakistan and India, which he described as a country 7 times its size. What choice would I have? I will fight, he said. Bombarding Khan with questions, Maitras asked, can Pakistan Prime Minister confirm that it is home to 130 UN designated terrorists and 25 terrorist entities listed by the UN? Will Pakistan deny that Financial Action Task Force has put the country on notice for its violations of more than 20 of the 27 key parameters? And would Prime Minister Imran Khan deny to the city of New York that he was an open defender of Osama bin Laden? The first secretary added that Prime Minister Imran Khan has invited UN observers to Pakistan to verify that there are no militant organizations in Pakistan and the world would hold him to that promise. Strongly hitting back at the Prime Minister Imran Khan's rant at the UN General Assembly, India has said its citizens do not need anyone else to speak on their behalf, and least of all those who have built an industry of terrorism from the ideology of hate. Prime Minister Khan delivered his maiden speech at the 74th UN General Debate yesterday and in his almost 50-minute address devoted half of his time to India and Kashmir drumming up hysteria over nuclear war. India exercised its right of reply to the statement made by Khan later and fielded its newest diplomat at the mission at the UN to fend off the allegations made by the former Pakistan cricket captain. A combined team of 12 Assam Rifles and Moray Commando last evening seized 19,700 pieces of WY tablets from one Soni Khongsai, aged 30 years, daughter of Jamkotang Khongsai of Moray Ward No. 9 at Kudeng Tabi checkpost along Imphal Moray Road. The contraband drugs were found concealed inside sunflower seed packets brought from Myanmar in a passenger eco-van bearing registration number MN05A3569. The seized narcotic is said to be worth ₹59 lakh in international market. The arrested was handed over to Moray police stations for further necessary action, a report said. Manipur Commission for the Protection of Child Rights MCPCR, in collaboration with Manipur State Legal Service Authority, organized a one-day state-level training program for special juvenile police units and ICPS functionaries at the auditorium of Manipur High Court Imphal today. Justice K.H. Novin, judge of Manipur High Court, said even though Juvenile Board has been set up in all the 9 districts of the state, there are no proper infrastructure and assigned members. He further said that the center passed the Juvenile Justice Act in 2006. The Act provides for the constitution of a national commission and state commissions for protection of the child rights and children's court for providing speedy trial of offenses against children or of violation of child rights. However, Novin further stated that the Act is not enacted in Manipur. He also said that the 3-day training program is organized to spread awareness about the Act.
Now I would like
Meanwhile, Social Welfare Minister Nemcha Kipgen, speaking during the event, said child rights are fundamental freedoms and the inherent rights of all the human beings below the age of 18. These rights apply to every child, irrespective of the child's parents, legal guardians, race, color, sex, creed, or any other status, she added. She also said that children's rights are the human rights of the children, with particular attention to the rights of special protection and cares afforded to minors. Children's rights include the right to health, education, family life, play and recreation, an adequate standard of living, and to be protected from abuse and harm. She also assured to provide any individual or organization from the government's side in working towards the Child Right Protection Act. The 19th Manipur Integrity and Solidarity Day 2019 is being observed at the lamjingbatomtv in Palace Compound, Imphal. The observance is jointly organized by Apunba Manipur Kanba Imalub Amkil and National Identity Protection Council NIFCO. A host of the representatives from different social organizations are attending the event. Now, let's have a short commercial break, but next we have marking World Literacy Day 2019, the Lions Club of Imphal, Central and Royal Academy of Science, Wangkai organized a one-day awareness program for students on anxiety and stress management related to examination at TOMTV.
Khongthang khuding seksiningay ngaktani. Mafam matam khudimakta aina cheksinduna talakli. Adubu mahausayi khongchatnina khudong thiningai atumak oi. Manipur da ahan boina iramdam masida sajaba ningol khudo. Adubu ngasidi akhoi chingnaningai oidre. Aikhoigidamak Bright Enterprises ki ningol khudo.
Mega Monsoon Offer. Be a lifetime subscriber of lamjingbatomtv's daily newspaper at ₹10,000 only. For more details, please come and visit our lamjingbatomtv's office at Uripok Laikurembi Laikai, Imphal West, or contact us at 8837353352 or 9402991938.
Welcome back. In connection with World Literacy Day 2019, Lion Clubs of Imphal, Central and Royal Academy of Science, Wangkai, conducted a one-day awareness program for students on anxiety and stress management related to examination at TOMTV Multipurpose Hall, Imphal East. In connection to this, Mayanglambang Gozendra, immediate past District Governor of Lions Club, International District 322D, said that the program is held for class 10 and 12 students to help them cope with examination stress. He also added it will also help them in shaping their careers and a better future.
There is no stress. Appear in the exam. When you try to memorize, then you just
A tree plantation program on the theme Grow the Trees, Safe Environment was conducted at this morning at the complex of Sports Authority of India site Takyalpat, Imphal. The event was organized by Mangal Foundation, wherein former MLA of Khetragaon constituency Th. Nandakeshwar Singh, Director of SAI Manipur Franchise Marwin, General Secretary of JDU Haraungbam Ravikanta Maite, actress Jolie Irungbam and others attended as main guests. As a part of the event, several saplings were planted at the SAI complex. In connection to the 123rd birth anniversary celebration of Jananeta Hizam Irawat, the Mummy Tawan will organize a free medical camp on 30th of this month at Tiam Konjin, Kairao. There will be a football match between Mummy Tawan and Tiam Konjin FC as a part of the event. With an aim to make a drug-free society and to encourage youngsters to refrain from drugs, a one-day drug awareness program on the theme Realization for Drug-Free Tomorrow was held at Phayeng Awang Laikai. The program was jointly organized by Phayeng Gram Panchayat and Realized Rehabilitation Center RRC, Korengay Mongam. Talking to the TOMTV, Chief Functionary of RRC Ole Wang Kaimayum said that the parents should send the children to rehabilitation center immediately once they learn that they are under the influence of drug abuse rather than scolding them or beating them. They should take the help of professional, he suggested. Ole maintained that uploading the photo and videos of a person in drug abuse on social media is an act of discrimination. Exposing the victim's weaknesses in public by uploading them on social media may have negative consequences, he added.
Society da mama pa oiba singna nisha chawa ina oiba yambo oiba ipuro oiba yaura aba matam da haitare moibu phuba chaiba kholi khonda athiba tobidaba moibu khongoi na bidaba Sigi Mohota, quite a pub away the rehabilitation center, Puviva, Tenviva, Sino quite a moibu, Nishachawa, Dong Navagi, Lambi, Oigadana Kale.
Nasigi Samasida Lady Ba, Mama Pa Oibasina, Egi Sasi, Nisasa de Heragasu, Nisasaba, me do Kakta, Moigi, Masamasuna Sazabani, Ekogi, Kaisu, Madam Lady Habagi, Wakalon, the Tadopiba. Kanagum Machamagi, Mama Magi, Mama Pagi, Masasing, Nisha Sarak Matamda, Isana Sabaga, Sapmane have a wakalon said Tambiraga, Nisha Saba Mapa, Singi, Amadi, Sariba Muidugi, Aquina Tamoy Siang Nangamating Pangduna, Quilebasi, Kanabagi, the Makta, so what Hodang Libu hygienic.
The Langban Haikat Laikat ritual was performed today at Moray Maitay Sanglan in border town Moray. This is the fourth time to organize the event by Moray Maitay Lai Thogalu. Several senior citizens of Moray were present on the occasion. Now, let's have a short break again. Stay tuned.
Watch out! Discussion on various issues of nation and global. Talking Point every day at 8 p.m. only on Times of Manipur. TOMTV. Starting from today. Don't miss it. Maitay Singi Puwariga Sagon Aduna Laklaba Mapam Ama Oiriba Sagolban Tangapat Lairiba The Tangapat Restaurant and Departmental Store Ngayhak Awawa Pothafam Ama Oibata Natana Restaurant Manung da Yaujariba Inbuilt Departmental Store da Adomgi Household Items Sing Su Pangbiragani. Veg amadi non-veg ki menu items sing na adom gi taste bud to satisfy ohaliba menu items sing enjoy to view. Amadi Thangapat ki view enjoy to view. Langston Biraksi, the Thangapat Restaurant and Departmental Store. B Brickfill ki quality control tawraba check sing makhal suna fangbiragani. Loina na customer sing ya pamba check ki class nyom chumna phangana na ba amadi check ki masing suna phangana bagi damak checkon gi khanna ba gari da thajagani. Ngasi maglengsin birau B Brickfill Wangjing Sabal Chekon near Khongjom War Memorial natraga contact WU 70051341330 natraga 70055133073.
Welcome back. Union Youth Affairs and Sports Minister Kiran Rijiju today took part in plogging run in which he was joined by many local boys and girls. Rijiju said he enjoyed the productive moment with the young boys and girls during the plogging run, which started early this morning. The move is an initiative under Fit India movement. The run was organized to mark the 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi on October 2. Plogging involves picking up plastic and other waste from the surroundings while jogging. The run, therefore, has a 2 two-pronged effect, swasth and swachhta, meaning staying fit while keeping the country clean. The Feed India Plog Run is a part of the Feed India movement launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on August 29. The minister also urged each individual to take part in the movement to make India fit and clean. Welcoming Goddess Durga on the auspicious occasion of Mahalaya today, around lakh of residents of Silchar town of Assam came out early in the morning and headed for Sadarghat Bridge over River Barak. According to reports, the district administration took up adequate security measures to avert any mischief on the occasion. With a carnival-like atmosphere and streets jam-packed leading up to the bridge, SDRF teams were kept in place while paramilitary and police forces kept a close watch on the entry and exit points of Sadarghat Bridge. And now we have the sports news. Manipur cricket team comprising 12 players and 3 officials today left for the Nagpur, Maharashtra to participate in the Under-19 27 Junior National Tennis Ball Cricket Championship 2019 to be held from October 2 till 5. The championship is organized by Tennis Ball Cricket Association, Maharashtra under the supervision of Tennis Ball Cricket Federation of India. The Manipur team was flagged off from Basu ground, Khangabok by Dr. K.H. Jugindro, President of Manipur State Tennis Ball Cricket Association MSTBCA. Talking to the media, Association General Secretary M. Madhusudan said that this will be the first time Manipur is participating in the championship ever since MSTBCA was recognized by Tennis Ball Cricket Federation of India this year. Now, let's have the newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express, NEFIP set to launch fresh anti-CAB movement. War Hero Memorial inaugurated. World Tourism Day at None, one tourist spot for its assembly constituency, says Chief Minister. iPhone 11 series launched in state. The People's Chronicle. Chief Minister moods tourist spot in all assembly constituencies. Vows None facelift. Saha summons state trio to resolve rebellion. NEFIP to take CAB issue to UNO. Protests across Northeast from October 3rd. Imphal Free Press. State to earmark rupees 30 crore for tourism development. World Tourism Day observed at None. Hindi brings closeness among Indians, says Radheshyam. The Morning Bell. 5 cops involved in 2010 Tauthong fake encounter case surrender. Babysana death case. High Court dismisses bail applications of Landhoni, Romita. World Tourism Day celebrated. A tourist spot to be developed in all 60 assembly constituencies at rupees 50 lakh each, says Chief Minister Biren. Deputy Chief Minister Y. Joykumar calls for fostering oneness. Amuko elects new office bearers for the terms 2019 to 2021.
Before we end the bulletin, the headlines once again. Imran Khan's threat of nuclear war not statesmanship, says India. WY tablets worth rupees 59 lakh seized on Imphal Moray Road. And no proper infrastructure assigned members of the Juvenile Board in Manipur, says Justice K.H. Novin. That's all for today. Keep watching Times of Manipur.